Hello, my name is Nick Stamoulis of the digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. During today's video strategy session, I'll talk about the best ways to use various types of content, such as white papers or blog posts. Let's start with blog posts. Every business should have a blog or an area to display articles. Here's why a blog is so beneficial. First, business blogs complement the sales cycle, or should. By creating content for every phase of the sales cycle, you attract a wider audience for your brand and company. Second, blogs boost your organic SEO results. The more quality content you have, the better your chances of ranking higher in the search engines. Third, blogs are perfect for sharing on social media. This can help broaden your audience across different social media platforms. Fourth, blogs establish your authority in your industry. Regularly posting informative content builds your reputation as an expert and overall trust. Fifth, blogs improve your branding. Consistent, high-quality content reinforces your digital brand identity. And finally, blogs support your overall larger marketing efforts. They complement both your content marketing and digital marketing efforts, helping to attract leads. Now let's move on to white papers. These documents also showcase your content and expertise, but in a much different way. White papers are excellent for nurturing leads. While they may not attract leads as blogs do, they are incredibly effective at nurturing them. Next, white papers improve thought leadership. They present valuable information in a structured, formal way that elevates your authority of your company even further. White papers are ideal for delivering educational content. They allow you to present complex information in a digestible format that resonates with your audience. Finally, white papers can be powerful tools for sales enablement. Your sales team can use them to provide prospects with in-depth information. So the question is, which should you use? The answer is both. Blogs and white papers complement each other beautifully, enhancing your overall content strategy. By leveraging both blog posts and white papers, you'll create a robust content strategy that attracts and nurtures leads, establishes your authority, and supports your larger marketing efforts. So there you have it. Using both blogs and white papers to maximize your content strategy works. Thanks so much for listening. My name is Nick Stamoulis from the Boston-based digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. Please be sure to visit our website at brickmarketing.com and follow us at Brick Marketing.